Tinawag na mali ng isang dating Supreme Court Justice at ng isa sa mga bumalangkas ng konstitusyon ang desisyon ng Korte Suprema na unconstitutional ang impeachment complaint laban kay Vice President Sara Duterte. Suwestyon ng isa, magpatawag ng oral arguments ang Korte sa pagtalakay sa apela ng Kamara. Nakatutok si Maki Pulido.
Kung si retired Supreme Court Senior Associate Justice Antonio Carpio ang tatanungin, nagkamali ang Korte Suprema nang sabihin nitong nalabag ang one-year bar rule sa impeachment ni Vice President Sara Duterte. Bagamat may 3 reklamong na unang inihain ng ilang pribadong individual at inendorso ng ilang mambabatas, ang ika-4 na complaint lang daw ang pinagbutohan at inaprubahan ng plenaryo ng Kamara. Na-aksyonan na raw ito bago pa nag-adjourn ng Kamara noong February 5, 2025.
When the House adjourned. So when the House adjourned, the 4th complaint was already approved by the plenary and it already reached the Senate. So obviously, the one-year bar rule cannot apply to the 4th complaint. The 4th complaint was filed on time. So it's a very basic error there, and I think it deserves to be reconsidered by the Supreme Court.
Sangayon dito ang isa sa mga nagbalangkas ng 1987 Constitution na si Attorney Christian Monson.
The Supreme Court overreached its powers under Article 8, Section 1. If the Supreme Court made mistakes or were wrong in what they were doing or unfair, unjust, and so on, then the people can go to the Ombudsman.
Pagdedesisyonan ng Senado sa August 6 ang susunod nilang hakbang kaugnay ng impeachment complaint. Pero sabi ni Carpio, dapat hintayin muna ng Senado ang ihahaing motion for reconsideration ng Kamara.
It's not yet final. Normally, you act when it's already final. Because there's a chance, because it's not yet final, there's still a chance it could be reversed or changed because there's a motion for reconsideration.
Sana raw, sabi ni Carpio, itama ng Korte Suprema ang desisyon nito. Payo niya, magpatawag ng oral argument bago desisyonan ng motion for reconsideration na ihahain ng Kamara.
In very important constitutional cases, always there will be a oral argument because it is in the oral argument where you can really see the entire picture.
Para sa GMA Integrated News, Maki Pulido, Nakatutok, 24 Oras.